Lord, fire go and charge it. Watch this now, man. See, I know, I can't think of ganja right now. Oh, Lord. Ooh. Yo, me a tell you now, my dog. Yo. So, you so smell nice, so. Yeah, go straight. Just straight charge it. Bombardos. You know, the east side. Say, bro. You see a thing play out a while ago, I have to say to myself, sometimes some people, you know, when some people feel like them slick, and you just a run around them. Fuck you. You're mad, though. Yeah, man, that is it. Some man forward it on the brain already, I overeat. Calm down, man. That even river can help some of blood fire when you think turn up your ear. Yes, my people, without just one cyber truck, I don't know if that one there I pull apart, but yeah. It did just a blacked out. Don't know, I don't know. That's the next thing. Oh, such a big bad truck like the cyber truck. Just that have so much people attack crazy about it on a page, yo, one thing still, you know, brother. When a man get a content, we go viral, you know, dog. Everybody has a try it, you know, dog. A man find means and pull off all the bumper and some little plastic thing. Man, I say, no Toyota up on the road, no stay so, brother. You hear that? Yeah, man, I say, you better ride on city bike. I say, a lie, I tell. Man, I say, big, full truck look like a sardine can stuck in a snow charge. Me say, a lie, I tell. Not the cyber truck. See the girl them fruit they run this a jack. Yeah, Nathan. See some nosy people see no brother. Yeah, weather just changed, dog. The glass looks like one defrost on it. After that, the thing that make it hot right now, brother. You see me? And I tell you, so some people sometimes, you ever just realize that the world full of some people where you have to wonder, brother, is these people real? Well, all that. What we are talking about now? You see all the plane there right now? I don't know if you can see it still, but I'm playing forward outside. And one of them there right now, I like to go take a flight upon right now, going to our next country somewhere, you see it? We'll get some new experience and can share to do not to you see it. Because everywhere I go this a camera I go with me. So. And I know what things said. Like me a border cat, big up border cat. Me a border cat say a thing, you know, and one of the realest thing, you know, brother. Like cat I say, boy, you know, since him fly out and thing like enough people I say, boy, them not really get too much joke. And the man I say, brother, ain't nothing funny if you talk about, right? Enough people just can't relate, bro. It's just like, what they are, seeing, especially when men I go through the little thing with some little technical issues with my channel and thing, and my views them stop and thing. I may contact YouTube and nobody don't really know me I got you on the inside part of the channel. You see me people just see a post and them don't really know what go on. But anyway, long story short. Now the same thing Cat talk about, bro. So if nothing no fun if you talk about, you know what I mean, you're not gonna get joke. So you can't just get up and get joke. Yeah, when I get joke about. But at the same way, bro, and everything I want to talk about, bro. You understand me? Especially I pay a little shaky thing. You see people, brother, I don't have time for waste my time I talk about shaky people. All this. Yeah, them not talk nothing sensible, dog, and practice become perfect. If I start follow people that talk fuck, I'm gonna start think foolishness to, bro. You understand? It's just facts. So I say, yeah, you me still, let's see if me now go post some conscious and will make sense, bro. Just this bag of gossip and this or one and that. This, bro, I don't care about people life that much. If you even worry about what you are, that's the artist thing and we love music and we are artists and thing. And we say, yo, we are doing thing, you see me? But other than that, dog, I don't care about people life. That, dog, if you're not in my immediate surrounding, if I see I'd rather get hurt, I will help you. But other than that, I don't worry about people like that. You know what I mean? We mind our business and we go through, dog. Because I tell you this, bro. It's real. You see me? And it take enough energy to put in from people blood, start life and them business, brother. Enough of your energy that take a dog. Especially when you have to build up bad energy and them something they humble. I ain't like you. I mean, when I talk about weird, I don't think nobody weirder than me. You hear one bad comment over my channel will change a lot of things, bro. I tell you, cause the things that some people are look upon as joke, me take it serious, brother. You have to know you are the bro, and that's why I not play people certain way. You see me, cause me know me serious dread. You understand? Yeah, man, that's what I think, man. So before me really do certain things, that's why I not do certain people in a way. I approach people with that certain caution and I deal with people on a level. Cause you up now, I want the same one on my end. Cause you hear me, bro? The way you treat people have a way. A lot for how it all end up with you on your end, bro. Cause if you are aggressive towards me, bro, I don't know other option, bro. Every action have a reaction, you see it, so. Learn how to treat people well, so people can treat me well and show me respect. And that's something you go in mind, bro. If you don't have no respect for me, why? I don't even have to argue with them. I pass the levels now where I go argue. I don't argue with nobody for respect me. You don't respect me, brother, that's just what it is. Me gone. Me not no energy for waste. I waste of energy that. You can't war with somebody for love you, and you can't war with somebody for respect you. Them just done. Low that. It will never happen, as we can say. That will never happen. You see me, you cannot buy love. You can't buy respect. Yeah, some people fool you fuck. You can buy respect from them, but not in no sense of this one. You see me? So, right now, and then again, we me see over YouTube, bro. Some of my content creator, them bad mind to your fuck. You react to a content, bro. See me? You react to something. And if you get more views than the Smarty channel where you did the react to it half of them come strike your channel, my youth. You understand? So you know what me I do now, bad man. Me don't even, yo, if me even talk about something, me not show nobody video. Me not, you hear me? Just like how so Jamaica start from first day one, brother. See me? I do my driving tour, watch and listen. That's so we do the thing now, bad man. And I still a job solid podcast audio to when me feel like. You understand? Just to make you know, Virgin, I YouTube this. And at the end of the day, I can't make people run my thing. And me run the engine around here. And you think, you might tell you this, Virgin. Somebody did a try to get out my channel. I don't know what them did think. See, and they take me a while to bounce back my channel. And now my channel not get back to it to get back. See? And I tell you this, Virgin. It make me more confident in it. But not like me ain't confident in it, but no. when me realize say, you give me, you tell yourself say you play around with me, it's on now. More you have to know and more you hear this. It's on. The work just start, bro. So anything where you did vex about and I pray if you not see me do and I wish if you see my channel stop, it never gonna happen. That will never happen. Words of cat. That will never happen. Every day me I post on the channel here. Sometimes you talk about certain people on your channel, them fans take it to heart, them want to go report your channel. Be them little comic thing there. Because some people know them feelings. You don't respond to you and your feelings. Stand in eye. Stay in eye. You're alone in that. Yeah, the plug. Man, them say a licensed cannabis dispensary in a Virgin. I feel love this place, yeah. You just pull up and go, take out your card and just go buy a big bag of kush and just light up. Jeez and peas Yeah, me no people, no make sure you subscribe and like. A foreign with there now. We bring a podcast a foreign now, people. Go over embassy and them say, yeah, you may not deserve for that foreign. A foreign with there now, people. It podcast boss you now, nothing. Yo, so you are going on, man. Get some foreign likes and some foreign subscribers. Now I'm sure now I'm going in that place to subscribe. Jeez and peace. So one Kevin I look for foot type to kick him down.